Hi everyone, this is Mike with Our Benefit Solution. I'm going to create a little bit of video for you to look at today about how to enter a premium reimbursement arrangement into Quickbooks. As we've spoken with you guys out there, we're finding that you're having some difficulties, and the most of you have Quickbooks, and as we've looked around, they're all going to be very, very similar. So I called the folks up over at Quickbooks and asked them for a little bit of help, and what they did for me was said, that their online service called Intuit Payroll is a real similar interface, and that would be a great place to start. Obviously, if this doesn't help, feel free to give us a call, but I think this is going to give you a pretty good illustration of how this works. So I created a fictitious company here, so we're going to go ahead and get signed in. And I already put a few employees in so we could take a look at them. You'll see here, and we're going to deal today with Steven Stevens. And here's Steven's basic information: his address, his pay rate, his filing status. You'll see he doesn't have any deductions or garnishments or anything like that. So that's the first thing we're going to do. Steven met with us at Our Benefit Solution, and he decided he was going to buy $100 worth of benefits, and that's going to break down to about $25 a week. So we're going to go ahead and put that deduction in now. So you click on deductions, and you go here and you want to do a voluntary benefit deduction. So click Add Deduction. Okay, there's already a couple in here, but we're going to create a new one just so you can see what that looks like. Click New Deduction. Category is going to be Health Insurance. Choose the type. We'll just go ahead and say it's medical insurance. And here's the really meat of the matter here. You got to make sure this is what makes it all come together, is the pre-tax insurance premium. And under pre-tax insurance premium, I would just go ahead and put premium or PRA reimbursement, PRA health, something like that, to indicate so they understand what exactly it was coming out when they look at their pay stub. And again, that amount we determined was $25 per pay period. I'm going to click Save. So you see we've got the $25 in there. Now that's the deduction coming out, but let's remember that Steven's paying for this out of his own personal checking account, and the arrangement we've made and we've set the tax documents up to accommodate is he's going to be able to get that reimbursed. So we go here into the pay category. See, again, we're still under Steven. Click Edit. And what we're simply doing is really similar to a mileage reimbursement. So that's exactly how we're going to handle it. Click on the reimbursement button here, and you'll see we've got PRA reimbursement we've already put in there. You can create it to say anything you want. You can add a reimbursement name or edit that. We'll just leave it as it is for now. And go ahead and put that $25 back in there. Okay. One thing I think is interesting, and I probably should go ahead and show you, is what Steve's paycheck looks like before we go ahead and do that kind of premium reimbursement arrangement. You'll see here his regular pay is $40 an hour, or 40 hours. He makes $10 an hour for a gross pay of $400. We come over here, we deduct all the taxes, and we get down here. There's no deductions, and his net pay is $316.02. Another thing to take a look at. Look at the employer's taxes down here at the bottom, and it's $69.40 for the pay period. So let's see how the premium reimbursement arrangement is going to affect that. So we've obviously made all of our changes in the system here, and it's payday. So we got to put some hours in for Steven. Well, we actually just got to put his paycheck. So let's go in here and take a look at Steven's new paycheck. So you'll see we've got 40 hours of pay at $10 an hour, $400. You'll see we did a health reimbursement. In other words, we deducted the health care right here at $25 per pay period, and then we turned right around and put the $25 back in. And that's how we accomplish the accounting wash that makes it to where there's no effect on you, the employer, as far as additional pay. That net result is going to lower Steven's amount that he's going to pay in taxes, and you'll see his paycheck goes up. So it's $322.58, which is really nice. You got actually a little pay increase for buying benefits. But another nice benefit that happened was down here in the employer's taxes area, that actually went down for the employer as well. So the employer had a net savings in taxes, and all that happened was Steven bought something out of his own personal paycheck. So you'll see it's a really solid way to go about doing health insurance benefits. It's zero cost to the employer. It actually is a negative cost because it's going to put money back in your pockets, and it's going to allow the employee themselves to save 25 to 40% on their health insurance premiums. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you have any questions, get with your benefit advisor, or you can give us a call here at Our Benefit Solution at 888-812-6619. Have a great day. Bye-bye.